Hi, it's Bill Umansky. The purpose of this video is to explain to you what you can expect at a pretrial conference. Now, at a pretrial conference, what that means is that the state has decided to file the charges against you. So a lot of work has to be done before that pretrial conference. We have to get the evidence against you and start determining whether there's any motions that we can file to exclude or limit any of the evidence the state has collected against you. We also have to get the evidence so we can evaluate the strength of your defense versus the strength of the prosecution. Many times at that pretrial conference, if we haven't gotten the discovery, we'll have had to file a motion to compel to get that discovery from the other side, and the case could get continued. Now, at a pretrial conference, a lot of other things may happen. The judge wants to essentially know, is this case ready for trial, ready for a plea bargain, or something else? A pretrial conference allows us as your lawyers to have face-to-face contact with the prosecutor. Sometimes at that pretrial conference, we might be able to talk to the prosecutor either dropping or reducing charges. Or sometimes we might be able to negotiate a great offer for you that's an outstanding result. In other cases, the state has not provided evidence to us. We will complain to the judge and tell them they need to provide it for us. If the state has provided us evidence and that evidence shows that the police acted unlawfully or some other issue, we may set your case for another court date for motions to suppress or to limit the evidence. As I said before, in most cases, you won't have to show up. But there's a lot of work at a pretrial conference, and sometimes those pretrial conferences can last hours long. In fact, it's not unusual for your attorney to be in court on your case for anywhere from 2 to 5 hours. Now, the actual time they spend in front of the judge will usually be less than a half hour, maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. But it is a long process. Fortunately, in most jurisdictions, like I said before, you may not have to show if we file a waiver of pretrial conference on your behalf. At the Umansky Law Firm, we strive to obtain outstanding results, and we're always moving you forward in a positive direction.